Hello Glatory Farm. Today I brought you this good recipe, making your own oil. Here I'm using the oil press machine to make this peanut oil. Yes, I know a lot of you have been asking me, where can I get this machine? Where can I get this machine? You can order it online through Amazon or Taobao. It depends on where you are. So it's always online. You can get it online. It's very easy. In this video, I want you to watch to the end and tell me if this machine worth having at home. You know, if you are very particular on what goes inside your body, I think you will like to watch this video to the end. At least you are sure of what goes inside your body. Think about making your own oil 100% with no nyama inside. So this is 100% oil from oil press machine. So here I'm using this 10 kg of peanuts, fresh peanuts. You can see it's fresh, it's not roasted, fresh. So I'll be using this machine to press the oil out. So I need you to watch till the end because there's a lot you're gonna learn from this. Don't just skip it and go. There's something you have to learn from this video, because when you have this machine, you will know that after the oil press, you will see the oil is like a crude. So I'm gonna tell you what to do in order to get it clear like what I had. Okay, so you can see very dry. The oil machine squeezes out all the oil and it feels dry. You know, this chaff, you can still use the chaff for something, making your spices, your suya spices. Yes, you can still use the chaff to make it. You can see it's coming out well. Let me know in the comment section if you'll be buying this machine or trying it out. You know, since I had this machine, it makes my life easier and I'm so grateful. At least when I'm using oil, I know exactly what I'm doing. You press your own oil, you get everything 100%. What a blessing. You can see the crude. You see how it is? Yes. If you watch to the end, I will tell you how to get it clear. So keep watching to the end. So I kept refilling the funnel as it keeps squeezing. So I didn't throw the chaff because I will still be using the chaff for something else. So if today is your first time seeing my video, you're highly welcome. This is Glatory Flavors or Glatory. Yeah, thank you for coming by and coming to watch my video. I really appreciate that. So you can see the oil is so cleared now. Yes, I will tell you what I did. When after pressing the oil out, you have to let the oil sit for days, at least for 3 days, for it to clear. And you will see the crude one will settle at the bottom while the main oil floats on top. Then you need to sieve it out. So this is what I got from 10 kg of peanuts. I was able to get more than 5 liters of oil. Let me know your thought. Do you think this worth buying, worth having at home, making your own oil? Let me know what you're thinking. Yes. So I use this 1 liter gallon to fill it up. So you can see I sealed it up So I partition it the way I want to be using it in 1 liters. So you can see the oil is so clear, the aroma is something else. There's no adulteration inside. Everything is 100% peanut oil. You can see the color. 100%. And when pressing the oil, you need to control the temperature of what you want. So I control the temperature because I don't want it too much fried. So you can see the oil is so clear. The aroma is so good. Will you be trying this out? Will you be getting this machine? So I was able to get these 5 liters, and I have this print out cover because I made a lot of oil. So I always have like a sticker to show me what's the oil inside. So this is peanut. So yes, it's written in Chinese because that's the sticker I was able to get. But at least I know it's for peanut oil. So I have different kinds of oil that I make at home. So this helped me. When I label it, I know what oil is. So you can see I got 5 liters, 250 ml oil. Amazing. Would you think this machine worth having at home? Will you be buying it? Will you be trying pressing your own oil? Let me know at the comment section. Thank you for watching, and follow me, subscribe for more videos. Bye.